Good morning, guys. It is currently 9 a.m. I have a showing at a lake property on Lake Hartwell, so I'm going to be headed down there, and I'll see you guys soon. Exterior of the home in the front. This is brand new construction, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,500 square feet. And it's lake views all around 365. Isn't that just breathtaking when you walk in? Very nice open area. And kitchen and the dining. Everything's brand new in here. Beautiful marble countertops, nice deep clawfoot sink, 6-eye stove. Quick view of the kitchen. It has a linen closet and a pantry right there. And to the right is the master. Again, y'all, views. That's what you're getting with this house. And the master bath, beautiful walk-in shower. Look at that with the raining, and the regular shower heads. Got 3 of them in there, so can't go wrong with that. Beautiful clawfoot tub. Even the flooring is gorgeous. Double vanities. The toilet area right here. Now, a lot of storage and a gorgeous closet. Very spacious closet, and this right here is the living area. So when you come home and take all of your shoes off, can't bring muddy shoes into this house. This is just the garage, 2-car garage. Close that back up. And then we have an upstairs, a bed, and a bath, and a nice area for a study. With the closet. Here, this could be the study. Or if you wanted to, you could turn this into a huge closet. Up to you. Bathroom. Like I said, everything brand new, views all over. Okay, I'm taking y'all back downstairs. Okay, so on the other side of the living and kitchen are 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. So you're met with a linen closet. Bedroom number 3, right there, little closet. Brand new bath. Here we are. Hey guys, it's me. And another bedroom. All right, and this is what we really have all been waiting for, and what we're excited to see. These views. Yes, y'all, 365 lake views. Look at there. Beautiful backyard, nice dog. You can take the boat, jet skis, and just go on the lake. So I'll give you guys a close-up of the kitchen because it's just gorgeous. Dishwasher, you have this beautiful deep sink, with the cutting board right here, brand new. Look at there, love that. 6i stove with the microwave, beautiful marble countertops, and I really like the industrial ads. And there's the fridge. And then y'all, it's always customary to leave your business cards. So here are my business cards. If you have any questions about real estate, trying to buy, sell, invest, make sure y'all give me a call or email. And yes, this is the wonderful house. Lots of bright airiness. And I'll give you one last view. Like I said, 365. This is the front view of the house. And this is land right here in front. It's owned by the Corps of Engineers, so nobody can build right here. So like I said, views all over. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, this walkthrough of this beautiful lake home. The buyers really liked it, so that's exciting. And I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to leave any questions or concerns down in the comments below and connect with me on social media. I will see you guys later. Bye.